Hey guys, it's Zadra. Welcome back to my channel. Not me rebranding. But yeah, you guys read the title. This video is gonna be a little bit different. I wanted to do like a mini small. Get ready with me. It's currently 10:35 and I'm about to go out, and I wanted to like do not a vision board because I'm talking to you guys, so more so New Year's resolution type of thing. My camera died, sorry about that. But I'll be doing like a full-on rebranding of everything I do, starting with my YouTube channel. This year I really want to sign to a top agency. Okay guys, I'm back on my camera. I finally got it to work, but as I was saying, 3 days later, yeah, I would love to get signed this year by a very big agency. And now lately I've been dabbling into the pageant world, and I am competing to be Miss Houston USA. So I hope that I win, not for myself but for everyone in a way. I want to do things to where young women, especially women that look like me or women who doubt themselves, to look up to pretty much. I want everyone to know that someone else is going through your situation or worse. I've been there. You know, I want to bring how do I say this? I want to be there and be in certain positions to where people could relate to me. People will see me doing certain things and they could relate to me and keep pushing and keep going towards their goal and even try to do what I'm doing. Me, when it comes on to pageantry, I feel like I'm saying this so wrong. Don't come for me. But when it comes on to that, I rarely see girls that I personally could relate to or who've been through certain things that I've been through in life or who's anything like me, because I'm just a very type of girl. And you know, yeah, but that's why I'm doing this. I want to do this for everyone, which is why I'm hoping that I win so that we can all celebrate. Not only that, but this year I want to focus mainly on me. Me. I've been neglecting loving myself. I've been neglecting myself, so to say, and not really doing what I want to do and what I love to do. So if anybody was to be against me, listen, I don't care. I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Yeah. Not only that, but I'm trying to take more time out to relax and actually go with the flow. I want to be more at peace and happier this year. Last year was very stressful. I went through a lot of things, such as homelessness. I totaled my car. I got into 2 car accidents, you guys. A lot happened, you guys. I graduated, that was a good thing, but I went through a lot last year, and I was so stressed. I lost so much weight. I was just going through it. And this year, I just feel the change already. And I refuse to go back to that. And yeah, I want to continue inspiring others and pushing myself and other people. Not only that, but I would love to get into acting. Yeah, so I would love to get into acting. I would love to get into more music videos. So I did a few already where I'm modeling in the video, and I actually kind of liked it. It was actually kind of cool because all you do is sit there and just walk a little bit, do a little 1, 2 and that's pretty much it. So I want to get into a little bit of everything. Also would like to get my daughter into pageants and also modeling and acting. She's really into acting, so I'm probably going to start her off with her YouTube channel until she learns how to act right, because she does not know how to act. That girl is, she's wild, y'all. I'm trying to get it together so I could get her into this acting for real. But yeah, not only that, I want to do a lot more self-care and be more consistent with working out, stretching, with taking care of my nails, taking care of everything having to do with me, because I always just sweep it under the rug and try to just do it when I have to, in a way. So that's another thing. And I really want to learn how to do my makeup for real, because you guys, I don't know how. I would like to get to do my hair a lot better and possibly getting my own team. I just want real, genuine happiness. Let's get to the bag type of vibe, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much what I want to do. Everything, I'll be pushing out way more content now that I'm not in school. And I'll just be doing a little bit of everything. I want to be everywhere. Period. I really appreciate the support. I really appreciate the love that you guys been giving me on Instagram, in my DMs, in my emails. I am very grateful and thankful, and I will continue to share my journey with you guys and show pretty much everything. The last couple days, you guys, I've been trying to film, but my camera and my SD cards, like, look how many I have. And then the one in there and 2 more in the back. They're all full. I'm trying to clear them out and get everything rolling for you guys. I have a lot of videos. If you have not followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Zadra James on my Instagram, because right now I am doing a complete rebranding. You could call me Diamond if you want to. That's gonna be my street name. But my name is Zadra, so I'll be doing like a complete rebranding with that. If you know me as Diamond, you can still call me Diamond, but it's Zadra. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social medias and everything that I am on, including my Amazon storefront, my Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much. And as you can see, I am in a new crib. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful, and I don't think you guys understand how many times I thank God. Every day I make sure I show how appreciative I am, and I've been remaining humble and just taking everything in. I'm so grateful. Hit that subscribe button for more videos, because I'll be showing my empty penthouse tour. Sorry, it's not a penthouse. I'll be showcasing my empty condo tour soon, with a complete walkthrough. And yeah, subscribe, like, and comment down below Miss Houston USA or Zadra for more videos. Bye.